In this lecture, we'll look at this example. Arch in the shape of a parabola has the dimensions as shown in the figure. How wide is the arc? 19 feet up. We are given two numbers. One is the width, which is 26 feet. Another is the height, 21 feet. The question right down here is, how wide is the arch? 19 feet up is from the bottom to somewhere here this high. Okay, so we want to find out the width from this point left to this point right. And we are given this shape is a parabola. Okay, we need the equation to help us. We first put the xy coordinate in this way, and then the origin is actually coincide with the vertex of this parabola. You may put this xy coordinate with origin right here, and probably it's hard for you to figure out how to do that. So the vertex on origin is always easier. Okay. Now we know first is that the down here, if the origin is coincide with the vertex, we know the total height is 21 feet, and here 19 feet up is from the bottom to this far. Then from 0 to the point down here is -2, since the origin is on the vertex. So this is the meaning for this point, -2, because 21 minus 19 is the distance from the vertex to the point, from the bottom to the point right here, 19 feet height. Okay, so first of all, -2 comes out. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing is that when we have xy coordinate in this way, then we have this is 26, so half part will be 13. So this point, x coordinate will be 13, but y coordinate will be -21. Okay, from our origin goes down, it will be -21. So we basically, find out this point. 13 -21 is on the parabola. Okay, and we also know that open direction is downward, vertex is on the origin. We want to find out is when y equals -2, how long is the x? And then we need to double x, because x is from origin to this part. And then if we double x, we'll have this width. Okay? Now, here is the standard equation. Y equals -1/4p x squared. This one negative, it will give us the open direction is downward. And y equals a negative number times a positive number is a negative number. So this gives us the open direction is downward. So this is the correct form. Alright? Now the problem is that we need p. That's not a problem, because we know 13 -21 is on the picture. It must meet this equation. So then if you plug in, y is -21 and x is 13 here, you then have this equation, -21 equals negative 1 over 4p times 13 squared. Solve for p. Both sides multiplied by negative p. You then have a negative 21 times negative p is positive 21p. And then negative p with positive negative p here, they cancel each other. So you then have a 13 squared, which is 169 times 1/4. Both sides divided by 21, so p stands alone on the left. Right hand side is 169 upstairs. Downstairs is 4 divided by 21. 4 times 21 downstairs. Because 21 downstairs, 21 downstairs. Okay. Now, we then have is 169 divided by 48, because 4 times 21. Okay. Now, p comes out. We put it back here. We have the equation. Then you put p back there. P is actually a fractional number. It sounds a little bit difficult, hard. It's actually not. 48, they cancel each other. 48 comes to be 21. 4 comes to be 1. So what you have is 1 over 169 divided by 21. You simply flip 21 up. Okay? Downstairs is 169, and you have a negative in front of it, and then x squared. That's the equation comes out. Okay? If we have the equation, y is negative 2, we can find out all x. Okay? So you do is you plug in negative 2 here, solve for x, and then you are done. How to solve it? Both sides multiplied by negative 169 divided by 21 on both sides. Negative 169 cancel this positive negative 169. 21 cancel each other. So right hand side you have x squared stands alone. Right here. And then left hand side is basically positive 2 times positive, because they are negative. Alright, now then you will get left hand side is 2 times positive 169 divided by 21 downstairs. Okay, and then you choose the square root. What do you get? Is x equals radical 2, radical 169, and then radical 21. You will use your calculator to find out the answer. Okay? Remember 169, you choose the square root, is actually 13. So, it's actually radical 2 times 13 divided by radical 21. I did already, right here. You see, that's radical 2 times 13 divided by radical 21. Okay? So, you will have approximately is 4.011 4.01188, so it's 4.0119. 4.0119. Okay, again, that's what you get for x. X is what? This coordinate. So basically, what is the coordinate for this one? This is negative 2, and then, oh, that's for y. So I may do as, I use a different marker. Okay, so I have here is x is 4.0119 and then negative 2. Okay, this is only x. x is from here to here, or you may say from here to here, but you have to double it because here it is wide, so it's from this point to this point. Okay, so then you know 4.0119 times 2 equals what? Yeah, 8.024 approximately. Okay, yeah, if you do right here is your times 2, you hit enter. Yeah, so here is 8.024. Okay, 7 rounded up, 8.024, 8.024. Okay, so final answer is how wide? Then you may say, let me write where. Oh, keep going here, huh? The width is 8.024 feet. Okay, this one will be our final answer. So let me circle it. Alright, please review this lecture. I'll see you next time.